Hello, I'm gonna show you in this short tutorial how to use a new Datalink mod for the F15SE. Basically, the mod consists in two new functionalities that are added to this module. All the community was waiting for these functionalities. You know the history with the Raspberry, so that is very nice. Because initially we can use Datalink and MSD in the one of our favorite modules, that is this amazing aircraft. So initially we'll split this tutorial into parts. Initially we'll start talking about the SIT, situational display, okay, and then we'll finish with the MSD and some new functionalities that we can use if we have the SIT display operation. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to activate once you install the mode. Coming from the TSD, you will have available this button here that is named SIT. Is you place and you push, then you will see the SIT page. Okay, so initially you can make it SOE. It's very important in order to use some functionalities that are added to this module. As you can see here in this display, is showing our flight plan with our waypoints, and if we increase the range we can see some surface to air missile sites as SA2, okay, some SA2s, SA11s, and also we can see a joint unit. In this case is a Reaper, so JTAG over the float. That is the float is between the waypoint 2 and waypoint 3 in this retribution mission in Afghanistan, where we are flying right now. So then first of all you can start with the declutter, and you can see you have all these options available and selected in this case for joint units, AWACS. Then you can erase your flight members and also the range for the long range, medium range and short range surface to air missiles. This is declutter for the SIT page. And then you can use the cursor. Here is new because this is a last build. This is the Fort 8, Dark Star 1-1, pop-up group 317, Fort 110 at 4,500 knots. Here, new pop-up thread is now the cursor is over it, and you can see the bra that the AWACS told us is
Fort 8, Dark Star 1-1, bra 317, Fort 110 at 6,000 knots.
Very nice. You have here the bra, and here the bullseye posit. Okay, this is the bullseye. Here in the SIT, you can see the bullseye is almost zero. And then if you have the SOE in the TSD, in this case in the SIT page, you can use auto acquisition for unabove
Fort 8, Dark Star 1-1, pop-up group 318, Fort 110 at 4,500 knots.
So it's very nice. If you press the auto acquisition switch, then you will command zoom. Okay, it's very nice. You can see
Fort 8, Dark Star 1-1, pop-up group
the hostiles coming, and then you press again, you come back to the previous setting. This is nice. As you can see, you are only moving the cursor here, but if you press auto here and you move the radar cursor as we are doing, you can see how the cursor in the SIT is moving also, because it's attached to the cursor from the radar. This is very nice,
8, Dark Star
because if I place you over the Reaper, okay, the Reaper will appear here. That's very nice. That is flying over there. Thus the radar is not showing because it's very nice. Here, as you can see, we increase the range. We have radar contacts over there of 5,000 feet, the cursor, the radar cursor is over the hostiles, and then you can see the cursor here is also over the hostile. So this is very nice, and we can use it tactically very, very accurate. So it's very nice. Okay, so another stuff there is very nice apart from the data link. In this case, we have now the cities showing hostiles friendlies. Okay, and this is a donor that is not correlated with our radar. If we remove the scan, don't joint units or donor will be present as dash symbol, with a dash symbology in this case dash circle, but if you move your radar, you can see now solid lines on the joint unit. Very nice. Okay, so new functionalities that increase the situational awareness and tactical use of this page is extract the coordinates from the SA2 site. If you place the cursor in this SA2, you have some coordinates and elevation here. You can send to the flight computer to create a new weapon. Okay, so if we go to weapons and create a new weapon, initially number 6, that is empty, so you can place this button here, and then this coordinates and elevation is sent to the machine, and then the new weapon is created. It's very nice. 5.6. Okay, so you can see now you can go directly to the weapon 6, and then
Fort 8, Dark Star 11, Bra 306, 460 at 15,000 knots.
It's very, very, very nice. We can attack SA2 after the tutorial to show you
470 at 4,000 knots.
I'm gonna reduce the volume of the AWACS, and I will orbit over here in order not to enter on the SA2 sites. Okay, it's nice. This is you can see the symbology. You can increase the range or decrease.
Fort 8, Dark Star 11, Bra 324, 470 at 6,000 knots.
Okay, now I will show you how to use the MSD, the symbology that is present on the MSD. Okay, I don't have any TGP load on this aircraft, so we can cover, but it's initially the same that you have in the previous tutorial in Spanish. You can see in the previous video, but now in order to use the MSD you need two things. Activate here with this button MSD, and use the helmet visor in order to see the symbology. So initially we'll activate, and then this is the declutter for the MSD. I will activate also the weapon in order to be seen through the MSD, and then as you can see I'm not showing any data, any symbology of the MSD. So now if you place the visor down, then you have to center the symbology more or less on the center of the hat, because we have some crosswind in this altitude. You can see here all the pitch ladder is moved to the left due to the wind, but more or less here is the center of the hat, and you will press MSD center. Okay, and then you have symbology for the weapons, weapon 1, weapon 4. Okay, it's very nice. Also joint units, in this case the AWACS is showing 35,000 feet. And also you can see the hostiles when we turn hot. you can see that. You can see we have the symbology here. We are in navigation mode, master mode, and then I will pass through different master modes. Now air to air, you can see the symbology changes, and over there you can see the hostiles at 8,000 feet. Okay, we have a lot of hostiles. As you can see here, helicopter 3,000 feet, Sukhoi 30s, the block 2 medium, hot on us. Okay, and then we'll pass through. So I will scan, and then master arm on.
48, Dark Star, 11, Bra, 290, 450 at 28,000 knots.
3 Sukhoi 30s, as you can see here, hostile.
28,000
feet.
11, Bra, 286, 450
Increase our altitude to engage, and then you can see you have a solid line indicating where is the lock, and then you will see the solid blue line for the targeting. This is nice. Okay. So we'll engage hostiles, supersonic block 3. Okay, we are nails. Okay, down in visual with controls. On 3 factor, you can see the lock. The crank. Meanwhile, you're cranking, you can see through the helmets the hostiles. Visually, okay, we have 1 people.
48, Dark Star,
They want
11,
missile.
Bra,
Okay.
319, 450
Almost people.
at 14,000 knots.
And then we'll pump. Then you can use the seat for zoom. Then you can leave the thread on your 6 o'clock. Meanwhile, you are defensive. So we have a detonation maneuver for the hostiles. Maybe one is splash. It's very nice. Very nice. If you want to add a new flight member, initially imagine that I want to add as a flight member the JTAC. I will place the cursor over the JTAC, and then I will press here. This is my wingman number 2, as you can see here. But if you want to remove it, press again the flight. Okay, and you can change your own number in order to be the 1, the 2, wingman 3, wingman 4 in a flight of 4, for instance. Okay, I'm gonna show you the auto functionality here for the recommits. Okay, so I will press the soy and will recommit using our amazing, outstanding situation display. Okay, as you can see, we are moving the cursor on the radar, but it's placing here, and we will cover 17,000 feet as we are doing now. We have the lead and we have the trail. Our lead group is 22 miles. When engaged now, 20 miles because we are very low. Okay, good velocity close in factory lead. Okay, fine. That's very nice. You can see here on the seat. Okay, 3 seconds before people out. Bam. Chuff. More chuff. And possible timeout now. Okay. Okay, we'll continue having more hostiles. We'll zoom here. Okay, 9,000 feet and all new group. to 5,000 feet, we can take advantage of the call maneuver to increase our altitude forwards. Okay, so auto again for recommit 7,000 feet host. Okay.
48, Dark Star, 11, Bra, 335, 490, at 4,500, cold.
Okay, we have here.
48, Dark Star, 11,
Three,
Bra,
Pedro
325,
out.
470, at 19,000, hot.
Possibly two hostile at 22,000 feet is engaging us. Okay, new splash. Now we have only this hostile 22,000 feet. So, Nisha. Okay. We are preparing our radar for recommit.
Dark Star, 11, pop-up group, 310, 429,
Raising antenna elevation to
3,000,
18,000 and now recommitting. Single contact. 17,000 feet, more or less here. More or less here. Okay, we have it. We are hostile, Fox 3, visual with it. People out. As you can see here, you can see on the missile coming. Pump. Okay, auto, soy, increased range, threads maneuvering, thread is splash. Okay, good. So we use it properly, the seat plus radar, and we are now Scotch, coming with a 6 and ramps, but now it's Scotch. Okay, as you can see, this concludes my tutorial. Use it operationally so you can enjoy it. It's very nice. Congratulations, man, you made that.